Good morning, everybody. It's Louie. Thank you for riding along with me today. Down here at the National Seashore. And got a little bit of weather coming in, it looks like. It's always beautiful. Always the ever-changing environment here at the beach. It's just awesome. And the wind's blowing a little bit out of the west. So you have that smell of the grass. It's just awesome. So I want to thank everybody for subscribing. We're really building quite a community here on my channel. A lot of questions, a lot of comments. It's awesome. Keep them coming. And everybody that hadn't subscribed, please do. I hope you're enjoying these videos as much as I enjoy making them. We're about, I don't know, a little bit past the 15. We're going to continue on, moving on down the line here. I just stopped here in the, I don't know, 23 miles down here, give or take, and we're throwing the fly rod here. Oh, we got off. Thank you. Yeah, poor man's tarpon. That was pretty cool. Hope we got to see him jump. Yeah, let's see if I catch another one. That's fun. Well, while I was playing with the ladies there, I did see quite a few small stingrays. I mean, in ankle to knee-deep water there swimming. So, if you're out here, keep your eyes out. Shuffle your feet. Yeah, you don't want to catch one of those in the foot. No fun at all. Moving on down the line here. Another ladyfish here. All right, dude. Oh, don't get tangled in my line back there. I gotta get them off. It's a lot better when they get off on their own. There he goes. Got a small speck here on the fly. I think I had a pretty good one on a minute ago. And he threw the hook. Anyway, come here, come here. There we go. It's not very big, but he is pretty anyway. There we go, and there he goes. Awesome. Well, that was cool. Maybe it's a big one, bigger. Making a few casts here. I already caught that small trout. 2 or 3 ladyfish. See if I can actually get one on camera with it jumping. That'd be kind of cool. Don't laugh at my casting, please. I have gotten a little better. Now, of course, when I put on the camera, when I catch, it was like one right after the other. grass. I'm going to show you guys something right here. It's a nice rip coming out from this gut right here and exiting right out through here. So like bait fish like to gather there, and the predators, that's where they like them. See it? Here's another view of that rip coming out through here. You can see it starts, I know the water's coming through here, the waves push in, they don't have any place to go, so they start draining out here, and they're going, it's going right to here, and that's ripping pretty good out there. I would imagine if you were swimming, that would be a pain. So if you see places like this where there's a big rip, you know, don't swim there. Could be bad. Something's on here. Not very big. Hopefully it's a whiting. If it's small like that. Too small to eat. It's good for bait, that's for sure. See something long. I haven't caught a hardhead yet. That's knock on wood. I shouldn't have said that. Oh, there you go. Twin skipjacks. Twin skipjack. Check it out. Twins. And another bite here on this rod. Oh, you know what it is? That's not a bite, it's this stupid weed on here. Yeah, you can have it. I don't know, there might be something on the other end though. Let's see. Grass. Here's a salad. Where's the meat? No meat. Only salad. Oh well. There is a fair amount of grass. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm sure you can. And a little bit in the water. I mean, it's not a, it's a little inconvenience, but it's not enough to stop fishing, that's for sure. So I'll put another shrimp on here. Shrimps. On my other rod, you got a piece of cut whiting, or 2 pieces of cut whiting on there. Hopefully that'll connect with something good. So we're waiting and see. Got something on this rod. I don't know. It's not very big. Probably mainly seaweed, probably. I could have felt something on there. Let's see. And it is nice having this big dark cloud blocking the sun. Sure is nice and cool out here. Quite the bonus. Oh, I spoke too soon a while ago, and I got catfish. Twins. Getting a fairly decent bite on this rod here with tiny pieces of cut whiting. think something's on there. I can't tell. I guess if you can't tell, it's not very big then, is it? Oh, there's something. Oh, a stinking skipjack. Dag nabbit. Stinking skipjack. Ladyfish. Playing with the ladies. But don't get in trouble. Pelican. Cool. Getting a bite here on this 2 chunks of mullet. And I'm here messing around with the fly rod. Something's on there. What is that? Shark, a shark. Get the pliers. Yeah, small little pup shark. I wonder how old that is. Probably not very old. Let me get him off of there. Well, good job. He got off. Get him back in the water here. Hang on, here comes a wave. You got it. There you go. Wrong way. Going the wrong way. Oh, man. I'm going to have to pick him up, carry him out there further, I guess. That should be deep enough. There he goes. No harm done. See ya. There, they caught a pretty good sized whiting. That's nice. While that other one, while I was fooling with that shark. Very good. About 10 or more of those. Have a meal. Well, you know, one fish will make a meal. One whiting. As long as you have enough French fries. There you go. As long as you have enough French fries, one whiting will make a meal. It's tangled up. Very good. Nice and clean. Got another ladyfish here. I don't care, worthless or not, they're fun to catch. Yeah, I stopped down here about 48. Trying a few casts in this little spot hole right here. Haven't even got a bite. I wish these clouds would come back. It sure was nice when the clouds are up there blocking the sun. That water is beautiful. Haven't really caught any fish. Well, we caught a couple of white, or I caught a couple of whiting, 3, and a bunch of skipjacks on the fly rod, and that one undersized trout so far. So it's not like it got skunked, right? It's just fun being out here. And I'm not spending the night tonight. I'm gonna go back. I got duties I gotta take care of, so need to get those done. Maybe I can come back toward the end of next week, Thursday. Wait to see what the weather does. All right, I'll check in a little bit if anything happens. I know I read on Facebook the other day, someone was asking what do they use for communication down here. And sometimes you can walk up on the dune and get a cell signal. But it's not very reliable in an emergency. That just wouldn't do, would it? So I have this Garmin. It's a Garmin InReach. And I think I pay about $24 a month. You have unlimited preset messages. So you have 3 preset messages that you can use unlimited. And the one that I use mostly is checking in, I'm okay, with my wife, so she knows that I'm okay. Without this, she wouldn't let me come by myself, so you got to do what you got to do so you can come and play, right? Anyway, I just thought I'd put that out there. But it does work. Oh, and you can also, I didn't think about this, but you get like 40 on this plan, 40 text messages. You can send 40 messages a month or receive 40. You know, if you want to get more detail about what's going on, you can do that. It also has the SOS button, so in case you're in an emergency, you can flip that puppy open and push that button, and you're in contact with an emergency center somewhere, and they'll ask you what kind of help do you need. You know, you dying? Need a helicopter? Who knows? Sheriff. Never had to use that, thank God. But it is there, SOS. I just thought I'd show everybody that. It's a good way to be safe. Comes the Coast Guard. I got a question for everybody. How long do they think that it took for the sand to bury this post? Oh, thunder. Cool. Yeah, I came down after Tropical Storm Alberto and it was uncovered. But it must have been buried in there for years. Who knows? How many years has it been in there? Looks like a creosote post of some sort. Anyway, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Well, I came this far. I made it down to the jetties. Must be some people here. Boats from Port Mansfield. I'd like to fall down there. Ouch. A lot of rain off there to the west, a lot of thunder, a lot of rumbling. Maybe a 360. Used to be able to drive back around over there. I remember we used to do it all the time in the 80s. I think now they're saying that they got it blocked off. Well, I've come this far, might as well turn around and go north. Can't go any further south. Something here on the fly. Not a skipjack, it's not jumping. Getting to the beach here. Trout. I don't know if it's big enough though. It might be. If I can get them on the beach. Yeah, I bet he's a keeper. Get the tape measure. Let's see. Let me measure him, see if he's big enough. He wasn't big enough. We're gonna let him go. There we go. Out of the way, buddy. There he goes. There, going back home. Nice. Yeah, but there's some more in here. Well, that was fun. Caught 2 trout. Weren't keepers, but hey. They were pulling on my line. That's the main thing. And it's clouded over again, and it is, man, it's much colder than it was. I guarantee it. The breeze is blowing a little bit now. It's probably just from this cloud. I don't know. Still hear a little thunder. I don't know if this little bit here is headed this direction. Kind of looks like it. Anyway, I'm gonna head up north. See if I can find anything going north. I drove up on this birds working here. It's probably ladyfish on who knows what. Anyway, we're gonna go check it out and see if we can catch whatever it is that they are, whatever's feeding on. Whatever's feeding on the bait that those birds are working on, is what I'm trying to say. It's starting to sprinkle. Let's see if we can do this without hooking a bird, huh? Well, something's in there feeding. Oh, yeah, I was right. It's a ladyfish. It's pretty cool to watch them chase your fly, though. Where they go? Behind me or are they ahead of me? Oh, look at that. There he is. Fish on. Woohoo! He's a jumper. Oh, no, I'm getting in a knot. Finally got him on the reel. Cool. Woo-hoo. That was the fun part. Now if he would just get off. Oh man, he swallowed it too. Son of a gun. Oh, there you go, buddy. You got lucky. There he goes. There he goes. So we can do that again. No, I'm getting wet. It's raining. No, it's all right. I was already wet. Poor man's tarpon in the rain. Woohoo! Come on. I don't know if y'all. Oh, he was on. Oh, man, that's crazy. They love this fly. I don't know if y'all could see that chasing. He was on there. Got them all right there. They just tease them up. Nope. Oh, he's on there. don't even feel him bite. Another ladyfish. It's Louie. Louie's headed off the beach. He's had a great day. Caught quite a few fish. Not really any keepers, but quite a few fish. And they were all fun. And all on the fly rod too. That was awesome. I didn't bring any rods to cast lures with. I just brought my fly rod, so it forced me to have to use them. So the more you use them, the more you learn, right? Anyway, thanks everybody for subscribing, watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Makes me feel good. And on that note, I'll leave y'all with the water here. Louie is out of here. Till next time.